Sam Erickson, and he's doing a science project this morning with boats. Sam, can you explain your project to me?
This boat sunk for two reasons. Because there were one of those Legos on the end, and there were two cracks in the water, and they weren't long enough to keep the water out of the cracks. So the water went in, and it went up to the front. By these, like it went into these, like it went inside these, and it went up to the front.
So
and that's one reason why it sank. And it also, and the way it tipped over is because that was too tall.
So
and it wasn't stable.
So how did you make a boat that was stable?
That building project
So,
that I did at Oakland.
Oh no.
I can fix it.
Hey Sam, did you make a boat that was stable? Did you make a boat that was more stable?
No.
Have you made a better boat?
No.
Yeah, okay. Are you going to go make it? Uh-oh. Are you going to make a better boat? Sam? Okay. So how do you think you can make a better boat?